Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. To all our subscribers, I appreciate you all, and if you are joining us for the first time, please subscribe, like and share. So I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this Zara cap using the Asooke material to achieve the Zara cap and also form the rose. Okay, so you stay tuned, watch and also practice. Okay. So for the first material, I'm using Asooke and my length is 27 inches, and I'm going to be using 3 layers of Asooke, and this is how I join it. Okay, you take it to the sewing machine and join, after which you fold the edges in. Okay, and that's it. So the second material is my Mako. I used length of 19 inches and 2.5 inches width. So this is the material after I've joined and also folded the edges. So watch what I will do now. I'm going to find the center, the midpoint of this material and mark it. Okay, and I'm also going to do the same for the Mako material. Okay, you find the center, the midpoint and mark. Now I'm going to be placing it on my fabric, on my Asooke material, point to point, these two centers. Okay, so pay attention and watch what I'm doing. Okay, then you fold your Asooke in and pin it down. Pin it down. Please feel free to like and share this video. Okay, thank you so much. I'm going to be using the pin to pin it all the way down, and next thing is to sew it. I will first of all sew this place. This is it after sewing. Now I want to hide this stitch, so I'm going to be pushing it inside. Please watch carefully, pay attention. I'm going to be pushing that stitch inside. Can you see that? Now, can you see that? Now I'm going to be sewing this other part. Okay, so this is it. Now the next thing is to find the circumference. I'm using head circumference of 22 inches for this, and due to is a non-stretchy fabric, I'm going to be making use of let's say 23 inches. So I will mark it and sew. This is how I sew. Okay, so I've sewn it. The next thing is to use hand stitch to run a gathered stitch. That's the next thing to do, and ensure you secure it very well. Ensure you secure your stitch very well. Okay, and that is it. Can you see that? Very simple. This is your Zara cap. You can do this for any fabric of your choice, and this is it. Now this is how I formed the rose. I used length of 16 inches. So I'm going to also fold the edges inside, and so then I'm going to use hand stitch also to run a stitch. You fold and then hand stitch, a running stitch. Can you see that? Very easy. Please, if you like this video, I hope you are enjoying the tutorial. Please like and share, and if you are yet to subscribe, please support our channel by subscribing. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You can follow us on Instagram and also on Facebook. So, can you see it? After which I will pull the thread for it to form the gathered stitch, and I will secure it. Now you twist it just to form the rose, and then use and stitch in order to secure it, like to hold it in place. Okay, some people use gum, but I prefer to stitch. I prefer stitching, it lasts longer. So that is simply how to form your rose. That is simply how to form your rose, the Asooke rose. After stitching it, you just attach it to your Zara cap. You can hand stitch or apply gum and attach to your Zara cap. Okay, thank you so much for joining me. Thank you once again. Please check the comment section or the description box for link to connect with us on Facebook and also on Instagram. Okay, so thank you so much for joining me in today's tutorial. Okay, can you see the rose? So you attach to your Zara cap, and that's as simple as that. Thank you, and see you in my next video.